Our car just got stuck in this kind of stuff back there.
She didn't realize how thoughtful and caring she was. I had to tell her, kid, pulling this.
No, don't mention.
Not saying anything.
Finish the video, dear.
He's really saw something outside, and I told him to stop talking, don't say anything. Yeah, because it's really normal here in the Philippines.
Not normal to me.
Yeah.
It's just not normal to me.
It's not.
So after it rains, this is what you gotta watch out for here. She's trying to show us in the mud. Our car just got stuck in this kind of stuff back there a little ways. And here she is. This is AJ's house. Mahal's brother.
Why are you so quiet today?
Gutom mo rin. Gutom mo na kayo. Madugay pa kayo. Lapay oras. Lapay oras ay. Lapay oras. Ha? Ano makabulang? Oh, tulog.
Hi guys, we're back. So for today's video, we're going to discuss our family reunion yesterday.
It was so nice, yeah. See
Yeah.
everybody.
So yesterday is my grandfather's birthday. It's his 89th birthday, and mom's siblings they're coming, and they came here from Cebu, CDO, Davao, Manolo Fortich, yeah, and Bukidnon. Yeah, that's like my mom's siblings. They are 9 in the family, so they are all complete for the first time. And some of them I met, I saw them more than a decade. So that's why I'm so happy.
It's been a decade since you've seen it.
Yes. Yeah, so we spent there just few hours, maybe 2 hours. Yeah. And you know what? Even if I have foreigner, I don't oblige him to give something. Yeah. So maybe to some, I can say that my mentality is different to some.
What do you mean give something? Were we supposed to give something?
Huh? No, just like contribution for the food. Like contribution for the food, for drinks. I like soft drinks.
Oh, I thought you just did that automatically.
No, I don't.
I thought you just automatically...
No.
I leave all that kind of stuff up to her.
No,
and I don't
I
ask,
don't.
and I just figure she's going to
No.
do it. So sorry,
don't.
buddy. Blame her.
I don't. Yeah.
Honestly, I thought you participated by doing something. But
No.
I didn't know.
No.
I just assumed.
That's why I said that I think I am much different from the other Filipina who like they want to shoulder everything because they have foreigners. Yeah, but for me it's not necessary. Yeah. And yeah, like everything we're happy, and then of course I think you think how many of them, including the family?
I don't know. It was a lot of people.
Yeah, more
If I got a
kids.
clip, I'll try to put it in. But
Yeah,
wow,
we have so many. Yeah.
it was a lot of people. A lot of kids and adults.
Yeah, and also yeah, it seems like for me it's not necessary. Yeah, and that's my only opinion.
Do you mean to tell me in these kinds of occasions, because I'm just thinking about now
Yeah.
since you mentioned, I didn't even know about this.
Yeah.
Like in these kinds of occasions, you mean like most people expect the foreigner to take care of it all financially?
Yeah,
Really?
something like that. Yes,
Wow.
especially it's
I
your
thought-
first time. It's your first time to meet them. Yeah.
I thought everybody would just try to contribute a little because like everybody would contributed a little. I thought that, and I thought you were going to contribute a portion too, because that was just
No,
what
I don't.
thought.
I don't contribute.
Okay. Anyway, that was my thought, okay? I thought everybody would contribute a
No,
little, and I
I
thought that's
don't.
how it was made possible. But what you're saying is that generally, most people, when there's an event like that, expect the foreigner to cover everything?
No, not cover everything. At least
Oh,
you
okay.
contribute.
Yeah, well, I
Yeah.
thought you did that.
No, I don't.
Okay, well, it's her fault, not mine, because I thought she was doing it.
Yeah, because from the, like, in our situation, my mom already knows everything. Yeah, and then mom's already knows our plan in the future, so she understands. Yeah, that's
I
why.
plan to make more money. To get ahead in life.
Yeah, because we have plan, guys, and I don't want to disclose. We cannot disclose in this video.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. And then yeah, so we have, it's our first family reunion that I don't contribute it. Yeah, I'm sorry to my family, but
I think
mom,
you should give, something.
mom already understand everything. Yes. And even my brother, he asked me like, can you buy this kind of meat in the once you came here? And I say no.
AJ?
Yeah.
Sorry.
And even my brother said like, oh, I'm going to pay you. I said no. Even if you're gonna pay me, I said no. Like whatever that in the purpose, that's it. Don't add more. Yeah. Because for me, like, we still have, yes, I know it's the first time, first reunion, but you know what, we can still have family reunion in the future once we are financially ready. Yeah, it's like that, because my mom will never like every time she wants to celebrate my grandpa's birthday, she will call her siblings. Okay, you can come here, and this is the the celebration. This is I'm going to prepare. That's it. My uncle and my aunties and my cousin will never complain what's on the table. Yeah, they will never look for another meal, like a special meal. No, because they understand our situation. And they're aware, yeah, what's our plan ahead. Yeah, so that's why I always say, I'm sorry, but I'm more practical. Yeah, I don't feel embarrassed to them, because I didn't, in the first place, I didn't say something, oh, I have a foreigner, I hit a jackpot. I never say that. And to those who someone who
true.
told me that I hit a jackpot,
No jackpot.
I think like I hit a jackpot because I meet a good guy. Yes.
Where is he?
Beside me. But when it comes to financial, stability, we're getting there. We help each other. Yes. But don't say that I hit a jackpot like Lotto.
It's alright. No
Because
bother.
our apartment, I don't tell him to buy aircon, because he even say, we can buy your car. I said no. Yeah. I say, I'm sorry, mahal, because
At the present moment, we're sleeping on the floor. We
Yeah,
have
we're
no air
sleeping in the floor,
conditioning,
no aircon. You see?
refrigerator.
you see,
Life in the
exactly,
Philippines.
that's my point. And we don't even have washing machine. Yeah, like I say, no, that this is not because we're, we have so many plans in the future, and we try to minimize our expenses. So let's live like this. We started living a simple life, like simple life with no aircon, no refrigerator. Imagine that. And I'm so amazed to him, because he didn't complain.
Except for the very first night, because I couldn't breathe.
Yeah.
It was so hot. I was like,
Yeah.
I don't think I can breathe. I said, it's so hot. But I got over it, and after
Yeah.
the first night, I was okay.
And you know what? The first, I think the first week of living in that kind of situation, our foam is just so thin.
Yeah, the floor was really hard on my back.
The floor is so hard, and I can manage living in that situation, but for him it's really hard for him.
Well,
And you know what
nice
I
air
did?
mattress.
Instead of, because he said, I'm gonna be dead in this kind of situation.
I
My
never
back is
said that.
sorry.
I just said it kind of hurts in my foot.
Yeah,
My leg went to sleep, which
yeah,
is
exactly.
true.
Okay. Like, maybe I'm so I'm sorry, I'm so exaggerated. And he always said, I need to buy more foam or something like that.
Yeah,
And no,
yeah, I
I
did
said
say
no.
that, yeah.
Like, how much the foam is like, cost thousand, something like that. So what I did is I order Airbed online.
Really great, by the way. Maybe we can put the product there and make some money because
Yeah.
I really like it.
Yeah.
It's really great.
And I hope that our bed will last long because we're so heavy.
Yeah. Well, not her, but me.
And then me as an additional.
Well, you're just a lightweight.
So
Can we go back to the family reunion? Because a different kind of point. Like, you're
Yeah.
having the family reunion based on celebrating your grandfather's birthday,
Yes.
right? But the interesting thing for those watching, the grandfather has already passed on.
away,
So
yeah.
they're having a family reunion concerning the
That's
grandfather's birthday,
the-
but he's not even alive. So that
Yeah.
seemed odd to me.
that's a sad part here in the Philippines. Like when my grandpa is still alive, there's a lot of excuses with his children. Yeah, like I can't go because blah 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 blah. And now that my grandpa already passed away, this is the first time that they are.
But I guess
Complete.
my point is, is it common? We're here at the laundry, so we gotta
Yes,
stop
it's
for a
common.
second. But it's common to have a celebration
Yes.
after someone has passed on
Yeah.
concerning their. I guess I'm gonna stop over here because it's all dirt territorial. But it's common to
It's
have
common here.
to celebrate after they've passed on.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, it's really common. That's our yeah, because I understand when my grandpa died that we're really struggling financially. Yes.
Well, that was interesting to me. So I just thought that was interesting, and it seemed, yeah. So we paused because we're at the laundry. We got to bring the laundry in. But yeah, so that was. And then I had another thought. What was my other thought?
That's our culture that we celebrated even if they already passed away. Yes. And also, guys, you know what? Here in the Philippines, at first, before I met him, I never received any flower in my entire life. So I said, I talked to my friends and talked to even my family. I told them that, you know what? Don't give me flowers when I'm already dead, because I cannot appreciate that because I'm already dead. Yeah.
I gave you flowers while you're still
no,
alive.
No, before I met you. That's why, like, I experienced a special occasion and special events when I met him already, like cakes, flowers, gift. I received that when I met him, but before I don't receive anything. Yeah, I just pray to God to give me good health, something like that. My family wishes me to have a good life, something like that, and it's really normal. But when it comes to giving flowers, yeah, something like that, before I felt so like not, like, I feel unwanted. Yes.
You're very wanted.
Unnecessary.
You're very
Because
wanted.
yeah, because like I only experienced to him even my small gesture, like he really appreciate. Yeah, but because when he told me about what I did, then I think like I've been doing that for a long time, but
She didn't realize how kind she was. She didn't realize how thoughtful and caring she was. I had to tell her, and she had to think about it. Oh yeah,
because
that's kind of true.
Like, because for me, it's like a common sense. Like, if you see someone need help, you need to help without asking, "Oh, you help me, come
She
on."
does it all the time.
No.
All the time. She's so
it's
kind.
a common sense. Like, for me, it's not necessary. It's not important. But when he told me that my small good gestures, like, well, I've been doing that for a long time, but this is my first time. Gestures. Sorry. Can you edit that?
Just so no one gets confused what you're saying.
What is
Gestures.
that? Gestures. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's it.
Oh, there's a kid pulling these.
No. Don't mention.
Not saying anything.
Yeah, so sometimes I can. It's
Finish
really
the video, dear.
it's really necessary because no one say that to me in my face, only him. Yeah, so yeah, that's for today's video.
We're wrapping up now.
Yeah,
taking our laundry to the laundry.
He saw something outside and I told him to stop talking, don't say anything. Yeah, because it's really normal here in the Philippines.
Not normal to me.
Yeah.
It's just not normal to me.
It's normal here in the Philippines. Like, there's no bathroom in the area. Like, the side of the road they use is as a bathroom. Kid is, you know,
We're
I
not
don't know.
talking about it, dear.
Yeah.
Remember? We're at the laundry.
Yeah, okay. So, God bless everyone.
And hey, listen, on the end of it, if you stayed watching this long, don't call me stingy because I thought she was contributing, okay? I honestly, till this very video, thought she was contributing something because I thought everybody was contributing something. So, don't be pointing the finger at me. Nicely did.
Yeah.
Well, God bless you.
God bless everyone.